Hello everyone. I'm back with another cue card today. So before I continue, I would like to say thank you for subscribing for my channel. That's the IELTS listening channel. And today's cue card I have chosen is describe a time when your computer had problems. So you should be saying when it happened, what the problem was, and how long it took you to solve the same, and explain how you solved the problem. My sample answer is, in today's computer world, one cannot imagine a day without internet and computer. People's lives are rotating around the same. They have become so dependent that you get lost if you have to part with the computer for a day. My profession as a trainer requires me to use my laptop to conduct my online classes every day. I become handicapped if I don't have it on hand. It so happened that a couple of months ago, the start button on my computer was not working. It being the most important button to turn on the power and boot the computer was not functioning. So I became a little desperate at that point of time and was wondering how I could conduct my classes. My mind was not working at that time, and then I was wondering how I could get the computer to start before my class schedule. Suddenly it crossed my mind to take the computer to a repair store. At the repair center, I was told that it was not only the start button but also the operating system had crashed and would take 2 working days to get it functioning again. I half-heartedly agreed and gave it for repair, and the next question running in my mind was how to take my classes. The latest science know-how has facilitated us with the advanced gadgets such as smartphones. My problem without computer for a couple of days was solved, where I used my phone to conduct my classes till I got my computer back. I heaved a sigh of relief after I got my computer back from being repaired. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe for my channel again. Have a good day.